These are amazing water remedies you should consider in your daily consumption. Mint water. Mint has been traditionally used to freshen breath, improve digestion, and relieve nausea. There is some evidence to suggest that mint may also have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Rose water. Rose water is a popular skin toner that is often used to soothe irritation, reduce redness, and hydrate the skin. There is some evidence to suggest that rose water may also have antibacterial properties. Cucumber water. Cucumber is a hydrating vegetable that is rich in vitamins and minerals. Cucumber water may help to keep you hydrated, improve skin health, and reduce dark circles under the eyes. Honey water. Honey is a natural sweetener that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Honey is a good source of antioxidants and may help to boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, and promote wound healing. It is important to note that these remedies are not a substitute for medical treatment. If you are experiencing any health problems, you should see a doctor. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. Mint water. Mint water is best consumed fresh. Rose water. Rose water can be applied directly to the skin or added to a diffuser. Cucumber water. Cucumber water can be made by adding sliced cucumbers to water and letting it steep for a few hours. Honey water. Honey water can be made by adding honey to warm water. Thanks for joining us. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content.